Hey everyone, it's Thursday, which means I am back in your inbox. I'm Lauren, the chief editor of Data Center Insight, and this is all the news you should be reading this week about the industry. So, we're continuing our July energy storage theme, and we take a look at the different types of energy storages that are available and why developers are flocking to those instead. So, we look at gravity energy, thermal energy, and also green hydrogen this week. On top of that, we have an exclusive interview with George Olea of Vertiv, who talks about Acciona's 70% reduction in cooling-related energy consumption thanks to Vertiv. Their retrofit was conducted during live operations as well, which was an amazing achievement with no downtime. We also have an article by io.net, and that is Jack Collier, the Chief Growth Officer. So he makes a case against orbital data centers because he says it's going to make AI access a whole lot worse. It is a bizarre idea, right? Where they are spending billions to put compute in orbit when so much of it is already sitting idle down here, waiting to be switched on. Maybe we should start there instead, right? Because orbital compute means trillions in capital, increasingly raised through debt and underwritten by insurance models nobody has validated. And those costs land on whoever rents the compute. So we will see how that impacts. And then we also have a piece on Aon, who expands their data center lifecycle insurance program to $5 billion. So this is their data center life cycle insurance program, which takes their reliable by design approach and helps operators reduce transition risk, improve resilience, and build infrastructure that are bankable, insurable, and resilient under stress. Because sometimes that is the last thing we think of, but insurance is very, very key. That's all from me this week. Just as a reminder, we have the Data Center Insight Frontiers magazine. We are accepting submissions for it until the 7th of August. So I would love to hear from you. Email me at editorial@datacenterinsight.co.uk to submit and feature in our magazine. That's all from me. Follow us on LinkedIn, stay involved in the discussion. Bye for now.